Get ready, Vermont, because Friday night, October 10th, Woodstock is going off the leash.
It's the Fur Ball, benefiting the Lucy Mackenzie Humane Society. And this year, rock history takes the stage, fronted by the powerhouse voice of Beissel of Fosterchild.
He's leading the American Vinyl All-Star Band, with a lineup so loaded it should come with a warning label.
Skunk Baxter, Steely Dan, the Doobie Brothers,
Barry Goudreau, formerly of the band Boston,
Mousey Thompson, James Brown Band,
Leroy Romans, the Wailers, and Third World.
Tim Archibald, RTZ, and Peter Wolf. And joining the party, very special guest
John Butcher.
Plus, the legendary Uptown Horns, who've blown brass for the Rolling Stones.
And powerhouse vocalist Charlotte Gibson, who's lit up stages with Aretha Franklin and Whitney Houston.
It's all happening at the Woodstock Town Hall Theater. Doors at 7, show at 8.
Grab your tickets now and be part of a night that saves lives, shakes the walls, and proves rock and roll still has a heart.
The Fur Ball, October 10th.
Rock hard. Give back.